Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to charge an EZGO golf cart. First, identify your cart's battery type, as charging procedures can vary slightly. Next, locate the charging port, typically found on the side or under the seat. Always confirm your charger's voltage matches your cart's battery system to prevent damage. Proper connection is key for a safe and efficient charge cycle. Let's get started with the essential steps. Once you've identified your components, plug your EZGO charger into a standard, grounded wall outlet. Then, firmly connect the charger's plug into your golf cart's charging port. Listen for a click or ensure a snug fit. Most chargers have indicator lights that will illuminate, confirming a proper connection and the start of the charging process. Never force the connection, as this could damage the port or plug. Allow your EZGO golf cart to charge for approximately 8 to 10 hours for a full cycle. It's crucial to avoid overcharging, as this can significantly reduce battery lifespan over time. Always charge your cart in a well-ventilated and dry area, away from flammable materials. Monitor the charger's status lights, which typically indicate when charging is complete. Disconnect the charger once the cycle finishes. After your EZGO golf cart is fully charged, disconnect the charger by first unplugging it from the wall, then from the cart. For carts with flooded lead-acid batteries, remember to regularly check and maintain the water levels, adding distilled water as needed. Proper maintenance ensures optimal performance and longevity for your batteries. Also, if you're looking to keep your ride smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Keep your cart ready for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.